Welcome to this lesson on present perfect continuous questions. In this video, we will learn how to ask questions using the structure, "Have you been doing something?" This is a very useful question form in English for asking about activities that started in the past and are still happening now. The basic structure for present perfect continuous questions is have or has plus the subject plus been plus the verb with ing. For example, have you been studying? Remember, we use have with I, you, we, and they. We use has with he, she, and it. Let's look at some yes or no question examples. With singular subjects like she, we ask, has she been waiting? Using has. With plural subjects like they, we ask, have they been playing? Using have. For you and I, we always use have. So, have you been sleeping? And have I been talking too much? Now let's learn about WH questions. The word what asks about the activity or action. For example, what have you been doing? The phrase how long asks about the duration of the activity. For example, how long have you been studying? And the word where asks about the location. For example, where have you been working? How long questions are the most common type of present perfect continuous questions. The structure is how long plus have or has plus the subject plus been plus the verb with ing. Key point. How long asks about the duration or how much time something has been happening. Here are some examples. How long have you been living here? How long has she been working on this project? How long have they been waiting? When someone asks, how long have you been studying? You can answer in two ways. You can say for 2 hours to show a period of time, or you can say since 3 p.m. to show a starting point. For the question, how long has she been living there? The answer could be for 5 years or since 2020. Let's look at more WH question examples. What have you been doing? Answer, I have been studying. Where has he been working? Answer, he has been working at home. Who have you been talking to? Answer, I have been talking to Sarah. Why have they been waiting? Answer, they have been waiting for the bus. In English, we use contractions to make speech shorter and more natural. Have you becomes have you or have you, but we usually just say have you. For he, she, or it, we can contract has to apostrophe s, like has he becomes he. In negative questions, haven't you combines haven't with you. Let's look at common mistakes to avoid. Many students say, are you been working? But this is wrong. The correct form is have you been working? Another mistake is do you been working? The correct form is have you been working? And students sometimes say what you have been doing. But the correct word order is what have you been doing? Remember to put have or has before the subject. Let's review the key points. The structure is have or has plus subject plus been plus the ing verb. There are 3 main question types. Yes or no questions like have you been working? How long questions like how long have you been studying? And WH questions like what, where, who, and why questions. Remember to use have with I, you, we, and they. Use has with he, she, and it. And always include the ing form of the verb. Practice these questions regularly to become more confident in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.